Oh, hey, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
Yeah, today I'm gonna work on this wireless connection.
Wireless.
You know what I'm saying?
I see
This
you.
connector.
I see you.
I got these magnets right here from my hobby store.
Just say Hobby Lobby.
And
You got it at Hobby Lobby?
I mean, I guess you could say Hobby Lobby. I mean, I don't care. Anyway, yeah, read this warning. Warning: these magnets are dangerous in small hands, so keep them away from children and anyone else with small hands, except little people, adults. They are a choking hazard and may be deadly if swallowed. Okay, buddy? So I put a pattern on this piece of paper right here. I use paper,
Tic-tac-toe,
you know,
3 in a
it's
row.
easy to work with. You know what I'm saying? I put it over my gas tank to make sure it fit before I transferred it over to the styrene. Once I got it all lined up, I transferred it over to the styrene.
And what, boy?
Those are gonna be the marks.
Think before you
Those
speak.
marks are gonna be where I'm gonna drill the holes for the magnets.
Oh, you said holes.
I'm just marking up on one, but I'm gonna drill the 2 pieces of styrene out at the same time.
2 birds with 1 stone. I got you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It looked like you like coloring. Why don't you move on to the rest of the project, Gerald?
So I got that done.
About time.
See these little crosses.
Crosses.
Now I'm gonna make some little indentions so that it'll be, easier to drill. Control my drill bit. I don't want it walking all over the place. You know what I'm talking about.
Got him. Yeah, R.I.P.
But anyway, I got my marks on this styrene right here. You know what I'm saying? Getting ready to drill them out. See my little indentions right there?
Oh yeah,
kind of poking out the other end. Not all the way through, but you know what I'm saying. Make it easy to drill. So there you go. I'm drilling out my 6 holes. They ain't perfect, but you know what I'm saying. They gonna work for me. Got the 6 holes drilled out of both pieces of styrene. Now it's time to hook up these magnets. So that's the magnets on that on those clamps.
So that's why you
Got 'em
had
all
the word
stacked up.
magnets printed inside that double-sided arrow.
Now what I'm gonna do is, you know what I'm saying? See, that's how they look. They super strong too. So yeah, I'm gonna use these a lot, in the future. But I'm gonna pair them off right now, and then I'm gonna take those pairs apart. But I'm gonna keep them close together so I know which ones, match up. Cause magnets are funny like that. They gotta match up. Right. Oh, flux time. So yeah, I put the flux on there. You know what I'm saying? Getting ready to solder these wires on. And this was the easy part because these wires, wires are metal, and the magnets are magnets. So the magnets pretty much held the wires down like some OGs. You know what I'm saying?
Damn.
They just held them down. But anyway, I get those soldered up. Looking nice. I'm gonna show you what I'm working with. And low key, I get to mess with this wire right here, and I actually pull it off and have to redo it. But yeah, I'm gonna hide that point.
Say none of that. I don't even know why you said that, because people can't even
See,
tell.
I pulled the whole wire off. Anyway, I got that fixed up. So now I'm just putting the wires into the holes and the styrene, you know what I'm saying, for the connection. Putting the magnets in the holes. Tape the wires down so they won't be all in the way, Now I'm about to mix up my little cement here so I can lock them into place. Little JB quick. Now I probably should have roughed up the edges on this. Well, I should have roughed up the styrene.
Good saying. Good saying.
Because that JB quick, it don't stick to smooth surfaces too well. So I could probably just peel these up, but I'm gonna go back over with some putty anyway, so it don't matter.
Oh yeah, it don't matter then.
I'm gonna go ahead and hook the other side up.
You gotta get that other side.
Get that slathered on. You feel me?
Yeah, I feel you.
now. I done got it trimmed up and put on the gas tank.
I wasn't gonna do nothing to the gas tank, but you know, sometimes you gotta change your plans. I concur, buddy.
I couldn't figure out where I wanted to make the connection.
Exactly what you're saying.
And so I figured that, hey, this would be the best spot right here. So I ended up cutting that out.
And it do look nice.
You know,
I must admit.
putting it in there. So yeah, you know, even you know what I'm saying? People like me make mistakes, you know what I'm saying?
No,
So
not you.
yeah, I got that on there. About to use this water well, this JB well water well. I love this stuff. Y'all know.
Why don't you marry it then?
But the key is, you know, when you're working with it, only use one hand.
One
Because it
hand.
can get all over the place.
Oh, okay, I got you.
So I'm just using my left hand
As opposed to the right hand.
to mess with the putty. Using my right hand to hold my model. And I'm just going to take pieces off, roll them up, and stuff them in the corners first. And I'll eventually fill the whole thing up. And I'm going to go around the back, you know, get around those edges. It's going to look rough right now.
Real professional at work.
But remember, I'm going to sand it up and finish it off. Have it looking professional, you know what I'm saying?
I just said that. Wow. Whoa. Where the
So
music
yeah, I
go?
put that on there.
Where the music go?
Got it locked all into place. Got my wire sticking out. Yeah, a little spit, you know what I'm saying? A little spit go a long way. Clean up the edges, smooth it out.
Do I gotta say it? That's kind of gross.
I mean, it ain't nasty if it's yours, you feel me?
Nope.
So,
I do not feel you,
good.
sir.
get that all nice. Backside looking nice.
Ah!
There we go. Oh,
What?
I know y'all see that.
What?
Look at them gauges.
You
Look
did
at them
it.
gauges.
Ah, you did it. Oh my goodness.
Watch this. Oh.
Yeah.
All right, so that's a job well done. You know what I'm saying?
What is
They go instant replay for no reason. See them gauges light?
Man, you just messed everything up with this.
Oh,
What was that?
yeah, that's how we do it.
What
You know?
is that?
So, yeah, that turned out to be a success. You know, the little connection right there. You know, I hope you guys can use this little technique.
I'm definitely using
You
this.
know, it's pretty cool. You know, when you want to hide your switches, you know, like I could unhook my switches and just display my model. You know, just
That is
chilling.
So smart. Nobody
Or I
ever
could hook
held
up
it.
the switches
You know,
and
you got power.
light it
Let's
up.
hook it up.
So thanks for watching. You know what I'm saying?
You welcome.
Subscribe, like, tell your friends, tell
Hey y'all,
everybody.
check this out.
I'm out.
All right.